Want to turn your ideas into instant drawing using just your S Pen? Maybe you are not good at drawing, but you still want beautiful artwork. On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the drawing assist tool can generate images from text using different effects. Today, I will show you how to use the illustration effect and how to download the result to your gallery. First, remove your S Pen to open up the command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Here you will see the text to image box. Tap on it. Type what you want the font to draw. Let's try something simple like a cat reading a book as the example. After typing, tap Done. Now choose the illustration effect from the list. This effect creates a clean, bright, cartoon-style drawing. It's perfect for story-style images. Next, tap Generate and wait for the image to appear. Now, you can tap the download icon to save it directly to your gallery. And that's how to use text to image with the illustration effect in Drawing Assist on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's great for quick sketches, ideas, or fun artwork without needing drawing skills. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.